everyone! Are you struggling with acne that never seems to go away? Have you been unable to figure out how to reduce redness on your face? Today, we're excited to share a simple solution that helps you to go from this to this in just 5 days. Let's reveal this simple but magical beauty secret. Before we do that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, you will need only 3 ingredients: rice, water, and baking soda. With just these 3 things, we'll walk you through how to make your very own rice water facial essence that is purifying and calming to the skin. It's a cost-effective, easy, and all-natural solution that will help you achieve that glowing, dewy, flawless skin you've been looking for. Let's do this step by step. 1. First, measure out 2 cups of short-grain white rice into a large bowl. Two. Rinse the rice thoroughly with water for 15 seconds, and then drain out the water. You'll see that the water is murky and milky. This is an important step in order to make sure we're washing away all of the impurities from the rice grains. 3. Measure our 2 cups of water and add it to the bowl of drained rice. 4. Massage the rice gently for about 45 seconds. This is to help extract and massage out all of the beneficial properties of the rice into the water. 5. Now, drain this water into a large pot on the stove over low to medium heat. You may discard the leftover rice or just add a cup of water and cook the rice to eat later. 6. Allow the rice water to boil for about 15 minutes, then turn off the heat. 7. Transfer the liquid into a container, preferably one that has a lid or can be sealed. 8. Add in a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda into the rice water and mix well until fully dissolved. 9. Let this mixture cool for about 1 to 2 hours until it reaches room temperature. 10. Store this rice water essence in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now, let's go over some tips on how to use this DIY rice water essence for better skin days. Number 1. Facial mist or spray. Fill an empty spray bottle with the rice water essence and use it as a facial mist or toner, gently patting your face to allow the liquid to absorb into your skin and help refresh, purify, and calm your skin after cleansing in the mornings and evenings. Number 2. Facial toner. Fill an empty cosmetic bottle or tube with the rice water essence and soak a cotton pad with the liquid. Gently swipe the cotton pad across your face to help remove any remaining impurities and excess oil from your skin after cleansing. Number 3. Facial sheet mask. Use dry compressed disposable facial sheet masks and soak them in the rice water essence to make a DIY sheet mask at home. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a healthy day and stay tuned for more upcoming videos about health and wellness.